going on, guys? We're on a food run right now. We got Kyle back in the building. Say what's up. What's up, Felix? What you have to say for the lovely ladies?
For the lovely ladies.
Lovely ladies, we watching.
I got a lot of things to say.
Really? What do you have to say?
We'll keep it to me and you.
Alright. Pen kebab. Probably gonna grab a wrap.
Okay. So can I get a beef wrap? I think he wants a chicken wrap. And what does Kyle want? No, separate.
No, Kyle's gone.
Okay, beef and chicken.
Beef and chicken. It's paying for me, guys.
Tzatziki sauce, extra tzatziki sauce, and hot sauce too.
My friend, I think that you asked often, I don't know.
Oh, you don't remember? Dang, I thought it was special. That's crazy.
He doesn't remember your order, bro. How do you feel? Wow, nice and quick.
So big, man. So big.
So big?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You want the same?
Chicken wrap. I was getting chicken wrap. Thank you, sir. Burrito, chicken kebab wrap thingy. It's good. Thanks for the recommendation, Felix.
Pen kebab.
Pen kebab. What's good with you? That's the real question. You think you're good? With your chain? Think you're chilling? Yeah, bro. What type of demonstration are you trying to give? Exactly.
I gotta play the prelude, bro.
Are you a baller?
No, not at all.
I'm texting
People. Business only. It's her room.
Alright, we're working, alright? There's a bunch of fucking... Okay.
Alright.
See what I mean?
Yeah, I know. It's
See you, Sonny.
Alright, bro. There we go. Good night. You're gonna get on the floor. You're gonna dance. You're gonna get on the floor. Chug.
Is it still going?
Hey, he's still going. He's still going.
Get a tight, Chen. Get a tight.
Huh? Get a side. Look at that. Look at her little. How you feel, Tristan?
Gotta get them angles and the phone out like a Feblu. And she's showing up, but it's alright. And it's showing up, but it's alright. This is your life.
Hey, Tristan, go. Oh yeah.
Come on, cat, go. Bianca, birthday girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bianca. Happy birthday to you.
Every time I'm at a birthday party, I always feel like I'm the only one that's like hip hip hooray, like using my African background. But hey, you know, back to the Happy birthday! Oh God! Labor Day.
Not gonna lie, when they said
Where? Where? Hey, okay.
And I need you, and I'm down for you, always KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? So you never ever leave or beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you, always. Good movies, really still real me. I see, gotta feel me before they try to catch it. Cause I've been going off, and they don't wanna stop it. And we get the top, and I see that you've been learning. And we get to shopping, shit like it burned it. Reach up, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from a side. beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
All right, Kriston. Go on him. Go off on him. Gotta be real with him.
Good morning, everybody. It is currently Wednesday morning. About to go to the gym right now, which is absurd of me. I didn't think I'd do it, but here I am going to the gym. One of the newer things I'm doing. Oh, that's the bus too. Got off the bus. Gonna do some cardio first. Probably do some legs because I did arms last time I was here. All right, finished our half-hour run. Close to 5 miles. We're trying to get back up there. But yeah, we're about to go do some leg work.
Kyle, you made that?
Money don't make me, but I'ma go make this money. Shorty can't save me. Goddamn, I've been on all about this. Money don't make me.
So just now the bus was super packed. Like there was literally so many people on it, and there's like a limit where how many people can be on it at once. There's like a yellow line that you cannot bypass. If you're in it, then the bus won't move and it won't close the doors. So, and it took the man forever to like communicate that. We were all just standing there like looking mindlessly like stupid. But anyway, workout complete. About to go eat breakfast. See you in the gym. So what's up, guys? Zach and Bro here, back with another vlog. And today, don't hide from the camera. This is the group for today. This is the squad. We're at Big Bull Noodle right now at State College. Son decided to come pay me a visit. How's everything? It's from Harrisburg. Yeah.
What's up, guys? I miss Kevin.
Whoa, this is getting sentimental.
What did you say?
Yeah, so this is getting really sentimental. You miss me. Oh God, oh God, oh God. We just got our food, we're about to dig in. It's nice to see some of my old comrades, good friends from my older school. So it's always nice to see them and get back together with them. So there goes Mia, Rebecca, Paul, right?
Yeah.
What was your name again?
Fun.
And San.
I'm about to dig in, guys.
Yeah, we're about to dig in, we're about to dig in. First time having Big Bull, so let's see how it is. Trying to challenge my chopstick skills. So guys, we're over at my crib. You guys going home today?
Yep.
We'll see about that. Anyway, yeah. So there's the bathroom. Yeah, right there, right there. Yep, that door. Yep. Push. Yep. To the T.Y.E concert. Got everybody here with me, so definitely not gonna take the full tripod with me. I'm just gonna take the camera. So, but yeah, we're just turning up before the concert, and then we're about to go have some fun. But first, I'm really seeing a famous person on stage, so we'll see how it is and how fun it's gonna be. Paul, how you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm
feeling
hyped.
good?
I'm hyped.
So we're getting ready for that. It's damn deep.
They don't like the concerts, so they're leaving.
Really?
More fun for us.
Where they going?
They're gonna chill.
To chill. You guys can't see me, but it's like super lit. What's a lot of going on, guys? You cannot see me, but it's lit. So this is the aftermath of the T.Y.E concert. Felix, you good? You good? You have a good time?
Well. We became vlog. This is.
Hey, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Cora, and
Why you cover her mouth for it?
Yes, 10
It's a
million
GoPro.
subscribers.
We're not there yet. We're working on it. So just really quickly, this is my roommate Kriston, if you guys haven't met him already. He is a really fascinating guy, pretty crafty and nifty as well. He is currently 3D printing something as we speak. Would you like to show us what contraption you're making here?
Yeah, so this is just a quick little interface that I'm making for one of my research labs.
As you can see, the little orange layering, it is printing out a little cylinder-shaped tube that's gonna be used for him, and it's like being transmitted through this, like, what is it called again?
Yeah, filament.
Filament. Yeah. Orange filament is being excreted into the system.
So that's it, layer by layer, and it's approximately going to take an hour to get this whole piece made.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna time lapse this so you guys can see it. Like that, we have our 3D printed figure.
There we have it.
Wow.
Nothing to something.
That is crazy.
Rolling, 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 rolling. Island boys, we the chosen. Double cup, mixing potion with the Sprite, yeah. This shit is for life, I'm good for the night, yeah. Zombie, zombie, been walking with my eyes closed.
Good afternoon, baby. What are we cooking up?
Some potatoes. And like eggs, which are pretty easy to do.
Yeah, of course.
And then we have sausages and
Let's see all the other stuff that we made. Mostly her, but we got some sausage, got some toast. Some water, of course. Gotta have that agua. Make sure you guys drink your water. Listen to Mick Jenkins if you know who he is. Drink more water. Hydrate yourself. Anyway, Babes and I were gonna eat up. We're hungry, and then we'll probably make some more moves. We want some pho today, so maybe we can grab that after brunch.
I need a Ledbetter lady. I need a Glen Oaks girl. I need a one-town woman. Come let me show you the world. I need a Ledbetter lady. She'll make me a better man. She gon' always treat me right. I'ma do what I can. I need a Ledbetter lady. I need a Glen Oaks girl.